decades, ordinary Sabahans have carried a quiet hope in their hearts, that one day their homeland would rise in strength and prosperity, rising not just in name, but in dignity, opportunity, and equality. Yet time and again, the hope has been met with disappointment. Sabahans are not asking for miracles, only for sincerity, for leaders who stay true, for policies that mean something. We are asking only for a future where being Sabahan is a source of pride and not of being left behind. Sabahans may be weary, but are not defeated. The dream of a better Sabah lives on, waiting for a leader who truly means it.